Hello, and thanks for checking out my bio. My name is Mark Puttick. I've been playing drums for over 30 years. I'm largely self-taught, having learned to play by listening to music and playing along with the songs, as well as studying and watching other drummers, their technique, style, picking up tips and tricks along the way. I played for many bands with varying styles over the years, from hard rock to gospel, country to punk. I currently play for a hard rock band called Scarred Soul Empire. We're based out of British Columbia, Canada. The sticks I play are the Standard 5B from Collision. I love the overall feel of these sticks. The finish is great. The weight and balance is perfect for the style of music that I play. I also really like the taper and the tip shape as well. I find a dramatic difference in the toughness and longevity of these sticks compared to other brands that I've played in the past. Besides the quality of their products, Collision brand itself is amazing. They are great at facilitating community among drummers, and they have great resources for drummers of all levels. It's a super brand, and I highly recommend them. I'm proud to be associated with them. So the clip I have for you is it's one of our newest singles from Scarred Soul Empire. We're heading into the studio to record this in a couple of weeks. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
So lead me down to what is it, and hold me underneath the tide until the sins have washed away and cleanse the voices from inside. Well, the trees have been broken, a simple fall from grace. On the knees, on way down, I see the look on your face. Yeah, that's what I can. That's what I can. Yeah, yeah. Dark sea, yeah. Dark sea, yeah. So lead me down to what is it, and hold me underneath the tide until the sins have washed away and cleanse the voices from inside. Onto my face, fall down, fall from grace. Onto my face, I fall down, fall from grace. So lead me down to what is it, and hold me underneath the tide until the sins have washed away and cleanse the voices from inside. Now that I'm falling, I'll come to where I wreck myself. Show me revival. Give me the strength to just save myself. To just save myself. To just save myself.